This is the Nokia N97 Mini, released in the year 2009, and it ran Symbian OS 9.4. This guy is a much older guy, the Nokia 7110. It was the first normal phone ever with a WAP browser. We didn't have web browsers back in those days. It was a WAP browser. It was released in 1999, and it was also known as the banana phone because of its interesting curve. This next guy here was a popular guy in its time, released in the year 2003 and running Symbian OS. The Nokia 6600 was loved by many. And then we come over here to this QWERTY slider, the Nokia 6760 slide, released in 2009, and it operated the Symbian S60 OS 3.2. Next to it is a guy that's not known by many, the Palm Pre. Palm once made mobile devices, handhelds, and smartphones. It was released in the year 2009 and ran Palm WebOS. Beside it, if you love Windows Phone, Windows Mobile, this is the Lumia 950. Released in 2015, it ran Windows 10 Mobile, and it was one of the last Windows phones ever produced. Last but not the least is the beautiful and striking BlackBerry Passport, released in 2014. It ran BlackBerry 10.3 OS, and I argue that it's one of the most distinctive smartphones ever made. So that's it. You're looking at a small collection from the Mobility Museum of mobile phones. I'll bring you more over time. Take care.